Look what time it is. It is release day for the Chroma Teal collection for the PS5. I went and picked up my order this morning. We're gonna get straight into it because this might be my most anticipated unboxing yet. We haven't had a green like this ever. Not counting the forest green. Forest green, was that what it was called on the DualShock 4s? This is like a metallic green, which is just everything. So let's start with the controller. Great way to kick off 2025. So happy New Year, everybody. Let's see what this looks like in person. Oh my goodness. That looks incredible. The way it's reflecting with the gold in the paint, very iridescent. This is gorgeous. I think I like it so much because it is kind of borderlining a blue. Obviously it is a teal, so it's not just a straight green, but it's a mixture of the two. That is so pretty, so good, but let's get into the cover plates and put them on my PS5. I tell you what though, I am getting really sick of unboxing these because of the way they box them. Trying to get this out is always so annoying because I don't want to rip the box, but whatever, just a little nitpick. Okay, so as usual, we do have 5 cover plates to look at. Wow, that is so nice. This is just so pretty. The reason you get 5 in here is because it does come with a disc drive cover. Honestly, it's looking different in every light and every angle. Like around the room, I do have lighting, of course, but it's just looking like different colors, which is obviously what iridescence is. I think they have aced this collection. It fits the aesthetic of my studio at the moment so well. Okay, it is time to get this on the console. So here we have it. Look how pretty it is. But here is the finished console. Honestly, putting these on and removing them, I've done it so many times, but it's never any easier. I'm always afraid that I'm going to break them when I take them off because the clicking is just so scary. But what do you think? I really like the look of this. I think it's a very unique color combo, but the whole collection is gorgeous. Like bringing out a metallic iridescent set just calls me. It calls me. I love it so much. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you don't know by now, I buy pretty much all the cover plates and DualSense controllers and I unbox them on the channel. It's my little hobby. I like to collect them all and I have fun doing it and showing you guys. So happy 2025, everyone. I hope you've kicked off your year with a bang. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and also follow me on my socials. I am on Instagram and I also made a new TikTok account. I'll pop it on the screen and I'll leave it down below for you in the description. I hope you will check out my content over on those channels too. But that's it for me and I'll catch you in the next video.